Hey guys, just a quick, really little video on something that I picked up on Facebook Marketplace the other day. This is an eclipse. Well, that's upside down for you. Eclipse branded dial test indicator. From, according to the mark just here, which doesn't look like maybe when it was made, maybe when it was calibrated, October 1956. Bought from what looks like OTIM or QTIM Industries Limited. 37 Kilburn Park Road, London, NW6. Telephone made avail 2035. So, let's see. It came with this mag base, which, let's see. Yeah, it still works. It's one of the sort of push on off, start off, on, off style. Plus the attachments for the base. And here it is. If that's in focus. Using the front camera, so it's fixed focus. This is, so the box is Eclipse branded. This is Verdict England. 0 to 15 thou inches, obviously being old, with a tiny little indicator on the end. Tiny bit sticky, but there you go, you can see. The indicator end is adjustable once it goes past. It was best to demonstrate it. There you go. So once you get past, you see this part just here is it's actually doing the measuring. Once you go past the extent of how far it measures, the indicator just clicks around. Like that. Obviously, when you're within the extent of measurement, you get that. It's a little sticky, could probably do with a rebuild. It's a bit dirty. But yeah, I was quite pleased with that. Cost me 40 quid. And yeah, I could probably pick up a new one. No-name Chinese one for the similar sort of money, but it's just such a nice piece of kit. Let's see. Nothing else on it, really. British patent number 468243 right on this side. And no other markings. So yeah. Well, I like that. That's really, really nice. And it came with a mag base, and you can never have too many mag bases. So that was my pickup the other day. I'm guessing there really ought to be something in here to stop it all from flopping around, but there isn't, so just leaving there like that for now. And that's that. Just a little pickup that I was quite pleased with. I also bought a set of, let's see if I can actually get them out from around the camera without knocking you too much, because I very cleverly put the camera on them. Set of Caterpillar branded imperial taps. Couple box over there on the mounting pile of cardboard boxes. This was another Facebook Marketplace pickup, and as you can see, it's just a set of imperial taps in everything from half 20 down to quarter 20, national fine and national coarse. They are like single run taps, so they're not bottoming taps or anything. But yeah, I figured they'd be a reasonable addition to the workshop. And that's that. Now I shall get back to the projects. Catch you next time.